Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel to all of my existing subscribers. And to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to an extra video. All right, this week, well, you guys know, you guys actually asked for this. My birthday just passed a few weeks ago, back in November, on the 13th. So, and I asked if you guys wanted to see all the goodies I got for my birthday, and I did get some yeses. So, if you guys want to see all the goodies that are sitting around me that I got for my birthday, stay tuned. Okay, well, my birthday was November 13th, and this year I did something a little different. I went out of town to visit my family in Colorado. So I got to see my sister, two of my nieces, my soon-to-be brother-in-law. Got to hang out there, check out the sites, do a little shopping. So let's just start with the stuff that I got there on my actual during my birthday week. Because on my actual birthday, I didn't shop. Why didn't I shop? I don't know. I didn't shop for some reason. I didn't shop till like the day after, which was Thursday and Friday. So, oh no, I did shop. No, I shopped the day I got there, actually, which was funny. So the first thing that I picked up was this beautiful sweater from the Isaac Mizrahi collection at a Target. You know, it's part of that 20th anniversary thing that you guys keep seeing periodically that I get. This was like one of the last things that I think this is it. I'm not buying anything else from that collection. So it was in a size small. Mod shots over here for you. Picked it up at the Target there. It was a small Target, and it was really nice. It was actually cute. I found the sweater in a size small, and it actually fit. It was kind of weird. I haven't worn a small in a while. I'm kind of weirded out by that stuff. But I really like the sweater. I actually have already worn it to work already, and it's very comfortable, and can't wait to wear it again. Next thing I picked up, they have a TJ Maxx by their house that sells a lot of designer, luxury and designer, luxury designer pieces, purses, handbags, shoes, luggage, stuff like that. And I was able to pick up this beautiful blazer from Joie in a size 6. In this beautiful red. It's kind of like a burgundy red, I think. I want to say burgundy. And it is a double-breasted blazer in corduroy. I really like it. I've already worn it to work. I like how it fits. It fits very well. I was able, when I wore it the first time, I was able to put a thin sweater underneath it. And it goes with anything. It's actually kind of big on me, which I thought was kind of weird. But I'm okay with that because then I can kind of layer up a little bit more with it. So, yeah, I picked that up. They had a bunch of stuff there. It was Off the Runway, I think that's what it's called. I can't remember. But I'll try to put a link to their site below. Try to link as much as I can below. There's something flying around, some lint flying around. I'll try to link as much as I can below for the different things that I have that I can still find. So, but yeah, this is a really beautiful blazer, and y'all know I love me a good blazer. Okay, for my actual birthday, I did get actual birthday gifts on my birthday. Right there is my cookie cake that I got. It was really nice. I was like, it was so funny. We went to go get sushi, and we were like, oh, what are we gonna, I was like, oh, I didn't get myself dessert. And they was like, oh, don't worry about it, blah, blah, blah. We'll get something at the house or whatever. Or no, they didn't say anything. We just went on and left. And then come to find out I had a cookie cake. And I do love, and you all know I love me a cookie. So, with my cookie cake, I got a card, which was really cute. It's somewhere around here. I have the card somewhere. I don't know where I put the card. It's somewhere around here. So, and in the card, I got a $50 gift card to Amazon. Y'all know your girl loves some Amazon. So with that $50 gift card, I bought some compression socks. I now walk a mile a day, every day. So I picked up some compression socks. I'm not going to unwrap these. I'm actually wearing a pair of, I'm wearing a pair right now because of my walk to and from work. I walk downhill to work and uphill home to catch my bus. So my mom recommended I get some compression socks. I bought a pack. They are a lifesaver. So with my gift card for my birthday, I bought another pack of compression socks. They come, there's like 4 pairs of black and 4 pairs of brown, which are my 2 main colors of my wardrobe, black and brown, which works perfectly. And these things are a complete lifesaver. If you don't have compression socks, I think you need to get them ASAP. And the other thing that I bought with my gift card is a new case for my new iPhone that I'm getting. That I'm getting for the iPhone 11 Pro. But unfortunately, I bought the wrong one. So I had to order another one. No big deal. I'm going to send this one back, get the money back, maybe buy some more compression socks. I don't know. I love compression socks. They're the best things ever. So if you don't have compression socks, you need to get them. And thank goodness I ordered another case. The night I got home, the day I got home, actually, I got home like around lunchtime for my flight. I reshot the mod shots for the new video you guys saw a couple of weeks back. And later on, I got to see my sister Lisa and my niece Liliana, and they presented me with a gift. I was really surprised. Like I said, I wasn't expecting any gifts from anybody. Normally, I buy myself all this crazy stuff, but it was really cool to get gifts from my family and stuff. So, Lisa and Liliana got me the new Prince autobiography, The Beautiful Ones. Oh my gosh, this book is pretty cool. He's got writing on the back, and I think this is his handwriting. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So I cannot wait to read this. There's even pictures of him in here, like these pictures here. Look at him looking so cute. Oh my God, I can't wait to read it. So if you guys want me to read it and review it, I will. We'll do our one book review of the channel. But yes, I am going to read it, and I cannot wait to read it. And Reginald got me a gift, which I wasn't shocked because he should always buy me gifts. I'm owed every gift all the time. No, just joking. No, we were out and about a few weeks back. We were at the mall, and I think he was actually going to buy me something totally different, but we're not going to get into that story. I'm probably going to buy myself that thing. But instead, he got me something that's been on my wish list. You have seen this box before because I have 2 pair and 2 different colorways of this shoe. This is the Air Force One. This is the Nike AF1 type. This is the gold type. You guys remember I do have 2 other pairs of the shoe. I have the pink type, which is the all black with the pink tab around it. And I have the white ones with the blue tab on it. But these are the gold type here. In a men's 7.5, women's 9. There's the inside, all gold bottoms. This shoe is actually on my wish list, I think on Nordstrom. And we just happened to be in, where were we? What store is this? Foot Action? We were at Foot Action. And I saw the shoe, and I was like, oh, I said, that's on my wish list. He was like, do you want them? I said, do they have my size? And sure enough, they have my size. Normally, they do not have my size in the store, which is really crazy. That's why you guys know I order a lot of my sneakers. So this was pretty cool that he got me these. I wasn't expecting that. I was actually expecting something else, but that's okay. I ain't mad because that's something else I'm going to get, and y'all will see later, another day. So, but yes, I do love my sneakers. Okay, so after I got back, I went on a rampage, a small rampage, which is really funny. I went on a little bit of a rampage, and Coach was running 30% off, so I picked up a couple of small things from Coach. The first thing that I picked up from Coach was this reversible black and brown belt. It actually reverses to a pebbled leather brown or a smooth leather black with the gold C. This is the 25 millimeter belt in a size medium. When I got the belt, I was like, ooh. And then I was like, oh, it's the thinner one. And I should have got the 35 millimeter, but that's okay. No big deal. I actually like this belt still. It actually works. I can fit it with all my jeans. So I really do like this belt. And I actually had it on today, but I took it off so I can show you in the dust bag. So, and the other thing that I picked up at Coach was a new strap. I actually told you guys I got this strap. If you all remember in the new video, I said I was ordering a new strap. There we go. I told you guys I was ordering a new strap, and I did pick this strap up. Let me see if I can open it really quick. I might have to do a little time lapse here. There we go. And I picked up this strap right here. It's actually reversible, so it's brown on one side and chalk white on the other, to go with my newest bag, which is right over here. My Cassie crossbody, which you guys saw in the new video. I would put it on right now, but I don't want this video to run over. So what I'll do is I will put some mod shots here or take some pictures so you guys can see me in the bag, with the bag and the new strap. I actually saw this strap when I was at my Coach store, but I decided to order it. Why? I don't know. Why did I decide to order it? I don't know. I don't remember why I decided to order it, but I think I was just sitting here and I was like, let me just go ahead and order this, because I don't know when I was going to go back to the store. So sorry, Tom, I didn't call you. I should have called you. That's my fault. I should have called. So before I left to go to Denver, what was it, like the week, 2 weeks before? It was like 2 weeks before I left to go to Denver. A new pair of sneakers, a limited edition pair of sneakers dropped, and I had to get them because if I didn't, I'd be an idiot. So here's the box right here. These are the Nike React. What is this? The Nike React 55 Kendrick Lamar's. I picked these up right before I left, and I flew home in these, actually. I wore my, I actually took pictures of, it was before and after. I took a picture before TSA and after TSA. Going through TSA, I wore Adidas slides, and I wore these on the plane home. I actually wore these one day at in Denver at the mall, and funny thing is, it was so funny because I had made a joke. I said, oh, someone's gonna probably spot my shoes before they spot me. Sure enough, we walked into Nordstrom. We just walked into Nordstrom. This guy came from out of nowhere, and he was like, oh my God, those are the Kendrick Lamar's. And I looked down, I was like, oh yeah. It didn't dawn on me that it would actually happen. And it actually happened twice that day. Happened in Nordstrom, and then it happened again at the Coach store. The guy that was helping us out, he spotted my sneakers also. So yes, I got the Kendrick Lamar Reacts, the 55 Reacts. So these 55, the 55 Reacts. So these are really comfortable. They were very comfortable to fly home in and to walk, and my walk from the train here. And these, I highly recommend them, but unfortunately they are sold out. If you want to get them, you probably have to go to StockX or GOAT or Stadium Goods to get them, but I will put a link. I will try to find the best link for you. Wallet foot action with Reginald. See, now here's the situation. I was just in there minding my business. Okay, I was minding my business, and I mean, I a pair of Jordans happened. I was minding my business. That's all I was doing. I was minding my business, and then I find a pair of Jordan 1 mid SEs in the color fossil white. Let me pull back. There you go. It's funny that they are, actually these are more iridescent white. They look kind of vanilla to me. They look more yellow vanilla. Let me see. You can see the front. I will insert a picture so you can kind of see the true color of these shoes. These are a size 9 women's. These were women's one. Get that. And here's the foot. This shoe was also on my wish list on Nike's site. And I wasn't even looking to buy a pair of shoes that night for myself because I had already got the Kendrick Lamar. So I was like, I'm not getting another. I wasn't looking at getting another pair of tennis shoes. But Jordan 1s, it just happened. So I got a pair of Jordan 1s. I'm running out of space. I'm literally running out of space. But I love these shoes. They're so cool. I didn't even put my foot in them. I knew they fit. So you guys will see these on Instagram. You guys already saw the Kendricks. So you'll see these on Instagram styled, some crazy way, shape, or form. And I can't wait to wear them. Okay, last two things I picked up, they came in today via UPS. The first thing I actually already uncartoned it, which is perfectly fine. It takes less time. So first thing that I got was from the Gap, and it was this teddy coat right here. I picked this up in a size medium. Gap was running, I think it was like 50 it plus 10 or 40 and an extra 10 off. So I was able to pick this coat up. And this coat sheds all over my black jeans. It's greatness. That's okay. No big deal. I really like this coat. I was going to get it in a different color, but that color sold out. That was the online only color. But this color was still available. So I went on and grabbed this. So now I finally have a teddy coat, even though this was not on the list of coats that I wanted, but I like this coat. It's really pretty. Like I said, despite the fact that it's shedding all over me, and now there's a cat by the box. Despite the fact that it is shedding all over me, that's okay. I cannot wait to wear this coat. And it is really warm. And the last thing that I picked up, the last thing that came in the mail today was my iPhone. I got the iPhone 11 Pro in rose gold. This is a 256 gig phone. I always get 256 because I take a lot of pictures, as you all know. You all see a lot of them on Instagram. There's a lot of them you don't see at all. But yeah, every year I have iPhone Forever from Sprint. So every year I get a new phone. This year I went on and got the Pro in the rose gold color. I would have picked up this phone a lot sooner, but there was some hiccups at Sprint. No big deal. I ordered it that night and it came in earlier than expected. Very happy. So now I just have to wait for my case from Amazon, which I'll have on Wednesday. So the day you guys see this video, I will have the case and the phone will be activated and I'll be good to go on that. So I think I did pretty good this year for my birthday. And that is it for this video. I think I did pretty good for my birthday this year, even though last year I said I wasn't going to do a whole lot for this year for this birthday because I had some stuff planned. But that is it. If you guys have any questions on any of the things that you saw that I received, talk to me below. I'm going to try to put as many links as I can for everything below, or as much as I can find, because I like the Isaac Mizrahi sweater from Target. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find that, but we'll see what I can do. Maybe an eBay thing or something. I don't know, but I will let you guys know as soon as I find out everything. I will put all the links in for you. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, talk to me below. You saw all my social medias at the beginning. And if you guys like to see videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh yeah, and share too. Do that. I like sharing. Sharing is caring. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye.